Everyone, my name is Emerson, Eduardo Rodrigues. I would like to talk in this video about some procedures to optimize the LTE RF network, right? So this guide, on this video, the main purpose is to identify each steps to you make the proper optimization of your LTE network. Alright, it doesn't matter if you Huawei, Ericsson, Nokia, Siemens, and other ones. Let's introduce myself. I have worked about 20 years in the telecommunications area, in telecommunications sector, being 15 in several projects overseas before. These projects I have run at several countries around the world to performing the optimization on these networks. Working 2G, 3G, and 4G environments as well. Made trials in 5G too. I started my job experiences with amps and the 1G in Brazil, and then I have run it around the 52 countries and on the 5 continents. All right. Okay, that's fine. So nowadays I have 39 years old. Okay, we are now in 2017, sorry. Okay, so let's keep it focused. The purpose is to meet the customers' requirements for high quality networks. This video, okay, must show for you how the networks, the LTE must be optimized during and after the project implementation. Okay. Radio frequency optimization is necessary to entire optimization process. Okay, this video, the main purpose of this video too is provide some guidelines on the network optimization for the network planning and optimization personnel. All right. Okay. So first of all, how consists the network optimization in a flow chart? First, we start with new site on air. Okay, if you new site on air on the beginning, implement the site. Okay, that's fine. That's working. Single site verification, alarms, hardware faults, KPIs, whatever. So performance time to time, or per hour. If you have some tickets open on the site, if you need to improve some TRX and some node Bs. And other predictions that you need to have, right? After that, if it's okay, the clusters are ready. No, okay, go back. Clusters ready. Okay, go forth. So we start on the RF optimization. RF optimization, I will approach in the next step of the video. Okay, about how it works and so on. Service test and the parameter optimization, and then you're gonna check if the KPI requirements meet. Okay, if the failure is on the KPIs, you need to check the KPIs too, because you have a service delivery agreements, the SLA agreements. You need to abide that agreements. You need to ask for your operator or your vendor which one is, because it depends for each project, you know, but there are some agreements on 3GPP that meets all of the operators follow the 3GPP standards, you know. So you need to have this, but just to you a quick check, you need to ask for the spreadsheet for your client, and then they will give for you, right? And after it's okay, you go ahead, right? So how it works, the network optimization process, right? At first time you need to check if you need to perform a single site verification, right? So the single site verification consists in the first phase. It's in the first phase on the network optimization. That involves function verification of each new site, right? So then the single site verification aims to ensure that each site is properly installed and that parameters are correctly configured. It's very important to talk for you guys, because the parameters depend of which vendor. The parameters that you use for Ericsson is not the same from the Huawei. on for Alcatel or Nakasimis. So it depends of the which kind of equipment, but it's my experience says that just change a little bit the interface. You know, there are some thresholds that change sometimes. I will afford for you guys, and then in some of my next videos about specific parameters to, for example, to IRET, handover, CS fallback, and other kind of parameters I will afford for you guys on the next type of video, right? So pay attention, right? So the RF optimization is the RF or cluster optimization starts after all sites is planned, area are installed and verified, right? So by the way, RF optimization aims to control power pollution while optimizing signal coverage. It's very important to comment over here that it's very important to you pay attention on the cluster. You know, not only the single site verification, but the whole cluster, the behavior, because one site can affecting another site due to power pollution or some another effects on the network, that some impacts on the network can increase your drop call and your failures on the network, right? So logical networks, okay? So increase the handover success rates. For example, we can make a more drop call and lock calls, things like that, no? And ensure normal distribution of the radio signals before parameters optimization. So RF optimization involves the optimization and adjustment of antenna systems, hardware, and neighbor leases. It's very important to the neighbor leases because it improves your handover successful rates. Okay, I will talk further about the KPIs that you use and how to you check using the KPIs, right? It's very important to you check, right? To pay attention. The first of RF optimization test must traverse all cells in the area to rectify hardware faults. Okay, as I said to you guys before, you need to check if you have hardware failures. For example, just comment a little bit for you guys. In the Rio de Janeiro or Brazil, in some parts of Brazil, there are a lot of hardware faults, you know. People checking the alarm is, oh, the site is dropped, the site is not working. What happened? So what happened here? So the guys checks, oh man, the people install the cables. Okay, it's fine. It's happened so much, man. It's happened so much. Or for example, I remember a case that they put an antenna on the tree, the coconut tree. Holy shit! They put the antenna over there, and the coconut drop it into antenna and drop the antenna and they broke the antenna or the higher fault. So it happens on that one. For beginners, it's good to comment just to make a joke, you know. But it happens so many times, you know. For example, in India, the monkeys, there are a lot of monkeys on the streets, you know, monks are so they go jump in the tree and push, drop the cables or things like that, no? Have worked in India before too. Have run 52 counts, man. I have a lot of experiences to tell for you guys. Pay attention to my channel. Let's share your knowledge, alright? It's very important to share your knowledge. Okay, if you have some doubt about the optimization process, please let me know. Let me know. I will answer for you guys as soon as I can. Okay? If you need consultancy services as well, you need to you drop me a message. We discuss about that, right? So just to finish this video, we're talking about the RF optimization flow chart, right? The beginning is the start, test preparation, establish optimization objectives, okay? Partition clusters, and determine test routes, prepare tools and materials. It's very important. Use a Gladiator tool is very good too. To make the whole optimization of the network is the best network too. But use an IB Wave, Cellplan, and the TOCO tools and materials. There are TEMs. You use it to make a drive test analysis. I check a lot of tests. Man, I started when you use it in the RF environment, 2004, 2005. Man, I started using Mapinfo, Tornado from Siemens. It's all those tools for who knows. The gold time is on the network. It was the gold times, man. The gold time is only for papas, you know. That was very good, man. And then you're gonna check the drive test collection. You know, you get the log files, and then to put into the tool, make the process into the tool, and they make the whole optimize, show the plots and the predictions of the behavior of your network. After that, you can suggest for your client how the behavior and which kind of parameters you need to change on the network. No one, man, it's very difficult to get this properly, the feedback for the client when you don't have the tool, because that is the research is you must be very deep, you know. But okay, it's very basic. Just tilts, azimuths, and some logical changes. There's no much, but things like that, no. But okay, data collection consists in drive test, indoor measurement, InnoB configuration data, and then you go to the RF KPIs, meet the KPIs requirements. Okay, finish. So before the data collection, you need to check the adjustment and implementation. You need to check the engineering parameter adjustment and neighboring cell parameter adjustment, right? So then you're gonna check on the RF KPIs, meet the requirements. If it happens some problem analysis, you go for this phase. And also the same is in the adjustment and implementation. For example, swapping. When you make a swapping of equipment, when you are making swapping of the equipment, troubles must occur. So the problem analysis consists in a coverage problem analysis and handover problems analysis, and then finish. Okay, thanks a lot to watch this video. Subscribe my channel, and if you like it, give your sign out. That's how I like it. It's our book. Okay, that's fine. If you don't like, man, give your suggestions for me. I'll be very glad to help you guys anywhere you are, alright? Because I have no words. I am globetrotter, self-made man. Okay? Thank you so much, my people. Cheers. Bye.